Check it out! Just when you thought it was over, or just when I thought it was over, even though I've been reporting that it's gonna snow like crazy. My dad cleaned my car today, and I can just sit in my car and go, and I'm very, very excited. And I'm leaving earlier than usual, so I should make it to work on time despite the fact that it's crazy out there. Keep you posted. And just in case you wonder, there are people who still stand outside. I had a couple people message me saying, what do you do in the cold? You just dress warm, I guess. You dress for the weather. And as you just saw, there were some kids waiting for the school bus. It's only -7 degrees, but it's really, really, really bad out there. The traffic reports are pretty intense. Woo, I just swerved. And in any other city in Canada, this much snow, it's about 15 centimeters worth, would probably shut your city down. But as you can see, the kids are still lined up. Look, and there's the school bus. There's the school bus coming to get them. So even in snowstorms that would shut down other cities, Montreal keeps moving. There are more kids waiting there for another school bus. Okay, so this is what it's looking like on the roads. You can't, I mean, there's a lot of snow accumulation on the ground. There's some trucks clearing the road on the other side, but nothing here. And it's very snowy, very poor visibility. And it would be safest for me to stop recording so I can keep both hands on the steering wheel. Look how bad this is. Can you see anything even? This is nuts. So I've been on the road long enough that on a regular day I would have been a minute or two away from work. This is madness. And here's the main stretch of highway. It's not that bad, but it's not great either. So we're rolling at about 50 kilometers per hour. I haven't listened to the latest traffic report, but if it's like this all the way in, it shouldn't be that bad. Hopefully it doesn't clog up anywhere. Yeah, my little service road idea, not working out that much either. The highway is not rolling that fast anyway. I made it in! I'm so excited. It took me about an hour and 40 minutes. And I'm here. Now, let's park. Where's my JELLO?
There's no Jello for today. No.
Okay, if you want to appear on camera, you
I don't
can.
give a shit. I'm all over the internet.
Okay. Have a seat.
You gonna stop filming me though? Because I feel a bit creeped out.
Depends what you'll say.
Okay, turn it off.
What? I'm heading out to supper. Can you believe it's 6:20 and it's still sunny? Well, not sunny, but the sun has not set. I love this song. I'm going to supper to celebrate my mom's birthday. So fun. We are celebrating with a martini. It's the NYC martini that I ordered with vodka, lychee liqueur, strawberry liqueur, and lychee juice.
امشب علاوه بر اینکه شب تولد قشنگ مامانته، شب ازدواج ما هست. انیورسری
I didn't know that.
34مین سال.
I thought it was on the 10th. Oh, is it?
34مین سال.
That is horrible.
That is beautiful. چرا هاربو؟
I would have never taken. Okay, my dad just said that this is also. It's not only my mom's birthday, but it's also their anniversary of. Hold on, Mama. I'm vlogging. It's also the anniversary of the day that they got engaged, and I just think I would have never gotten engaged. Oh, sorry, married. I would have never gotten married on my birthday. That's like 2 gifts in one. That would suck.
But mommy, make your salads?
I'm good, thank you. Mom, do you want salt or pepper?
Fresh pepper?
Yes, please.
Sir, would you like some?
May I have?
No. Yeah, a little bit all over, sir. Just on the fish?
Thank
So,
you.
okay. Bon appetit, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This is the ahi tuna salad. This is the Atlantic salmon. This is
Prime rib. Prime rib.
prime rib, and this is the Oriental salad. Bon appetit. Leftovers. It was way too much. Leftovers. Leftovers.
No scraps.
Scraps. Garbage.
Yeah.
And he's gonna finish his meal. Yes? You're gonna finish that, Dad?
Yes.
Okay, I forgot to record the happy birthday song. I'm so sad. Oh my goodness, I am so sad.
Ask him to bring another one. I'll eat it.
No, then it's annoying to sing it twice if not for real. But this was the birthday cake that we shared. I got so wrapped up in singing happy birthday to Mom that I just...
Good job.
This is a fail today. Total fail. And I'm so angry that I did not capture my mom's birthday.
Delivery
I'm very upset right now, Dad. I'm very upset.